When you are looking at dozens of potential rental properties online, it is easy to get overwhelmed by all the numbers and data points. Welcome to video number 33, where we are teaching you the 1% rule, which is a lightning-fast way to screen any investment deal. Professional investors use this simple math shortcut to decide in seconds whether a property is worth a deeper look or if it belongs in the trash. To use this rule, you simply take the gross monthly rent and divide it by the total purchase price of the property, including any initial repairs. If that number is at least 1%, you have likely found a deal that will generate positive cash flow after all your expenses are paid. While this rule is a great starting point, you still need to account for things like local property taxes and the specific condition of the home. Using this filter allows you to ignore the noise and focus your energy on the small handful of properties that actually make financial sense. Let's look at a few real-world examples in today's market so you can see exactly how to apply this rule to your own search.